Code P0041 refers to the heated oxygen sensor circuit for Bank 2 Sensor 1. This is the upstream sensor on the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. The heater is built in to help the sensor warm up quickly. If the PCM detects low voltage or an open circuit, it triggers this code. This code is usually caused by a failed oxygen sensor heater itself. It could also result from a blown fuse, damaged wiring in the heater circuit, or poor electrical connections. While rare, a malfunctioning PCM could be involved. The most common sign is the check engine light. Since the sensor takes longer to reach temperature, your engine may run rich at startup, leading to reduced fuel economy. In some cases, you might notice a rough idle when cold. To diagnose, use a multimeter to test resistance in the heater element. It should show some continuity. Check the wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Make sure voltage is reaching the circuit. If the heater is bad, replacing the sensor usually fixes the issue.